Did you know that using a rubber band can help you grip a stripped screw? It's a simple hack that can save you a lot of frustration, but that's just the start. Today, we're diving into the most mind-blowing hacks you never knew existed. From game-changing shortcuts to life-saving tricks, we've got it all covered. Stay tuned, because at the end of this video, we're revealing a hack that will completely change how you see everyday tasks. We've all been there, stuck in traffic, wrestling with a tight jar lid, or spending hours on a task that could have been done in minutes. These everyday annoyances can feel like the universe is against us. But what if I told you there's a way to turn those situations around? With the right hacks, you can transform these frustrating experiences into breezy, quick wins. Imagine easily peeling off stubborn stickers or keeping your cables perfectly organized. These small victories can make a huge difference in your daily life. The best part? These hacks are often so simple and require almost no effort. Why not make the most of them to simplify your life? These hacks aren't just about convenience, they're game changers. They help you save time, reduce stress, and even improve your relationships by freeing up mental space. If you're ready to level up your life, keep watching because we're about to reveal some of the most mind-blowing hacks you never knew existed. For all the gamers out there, this one's for you. Did you know that you can use a binder clip to keep your cables neat and untangled? It's a simple trick that saves you hours of frustration. Say goodbye to messy cables once and for all. Coffee lovers, here's a hack for you. Use a straw to clean between your keyboard keys and get rid of all the crumbs and dust. It's a quick fix that keeps your workspace clean and your keyboard functioning smoothly. This next hack will blow your mind. Use a hairdryer to quickly dry wet shoes. It might sound odd, but it works like a charm. Trust me, once you try this, you'll never go back. Calling all DIY enthusiasts, struggling with a stripped screw, grab a rubber band, place it over the screw head to improve grip and easily remove it. It's a game-changing trick that can save you time and effort on your next project. But here's the hack that will truly amaze you. Did you know you can use a laser pointer to create a makeshift level? This simple trick helps you hang pictures, install shelves, or even set up cabinets with perfect alignment. It's an impressively easy hack that's sure to wow your friends and family. So there you have it, the most mind-blowing hacks you never knew existed. These tricks are designed to make your life easier, save time, and reduce stress. Give them a try and see the difference they can make in your day-to-day routine. Thanks for tuning in. If you have a favorite hack that we didn't cover, drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and check out our next video for even more amazing tips.